So in this session, we will see an interesting application whereby we will be using the Python dictionaries to translate from one language to another language. That means I want to translate a text which is given in Tamil into Hindi. Okay. So, but I don't have direct translation. So I have a translator from Tamil to English. I have two translators available. That means there are two dictionaries available. One is from Tamil to English. The second dictionary is English to Hindi. But using this dictionary, I want to translate from Tamil to Hindi. Okay. So how I am going to achieve this? Let us see that. Okay. Now I go to my, look at this Python dictionary language translation. Now look at this is Tamil underscore English. Okay. Is a dictionary which has got some key value pairs, and this first key is in Tamil and the value is in English. Suppose it's Varuga means welcome. Then second item in this dictionary is Eppadi irkeenga. Then how are you? How are you is English translation. Then the third dictionary item is Vanakkam, which is a key, and value is goodbye. Value is goodbye. Fine. Now what happens is, in the same way I have one more Hindi dictionary, English to Hindi dictionary. Look at this. This is called English to Hindi dictionary, where I just give the English value as a key and the corresponding Hindi will be value. So this is a key. English word is a key and Hindi translation is the value. Suppose you see welcome means shukriya. I think some swagat, not shukriya, swagat. Welcome means swagat. Then how are you? How are you is the key, English word, and up kaise hai, that is the corresponding value, translation. Then goodbye. Goodbye means up kaise hai. Actually, I think that's a wrong word. Goodbye, I'll just check it. I think I should, this should be the way. I'm just taking it from the Google dictionary. Alvida. Goodbye means alvida. So I just run it. Now I just use these dictionaries independently. When I say independently, I'll just use the dictionary called Tamil to English. Look at this. Tamil to English. The dictionary name of I want key. I'll just give, one of the keys I'll give. Look at this. I'll just give this key. I'll just take this, paste it here, and just give control enter. Look at this. Welcome I got. The same way I got Eppadi irkeenga, this particular word. Okay, I'll paste it here. Okay, control enter. How are you? Then Vanakkam. This particular word I'll take. Okay, then this will be the key. This will be the key within single quotation. Control enter. Goodbye. So I got it. In the same way, I'll get English to Hindi also. Suppose if I say English to Hindi, same way I apply English to Hindi of, I'll just say welcome, because I need to give English as a key. So you see, Swagat. I got Swagat. Okay, fine. In the same way, look at this. Just go down a little bit. I'll increase the size. Okay, I'll just go here and I take some other word. I'll just say goodbye. Okay, I get alvida. I got alvida in Hindi. Okay, now using these two dictionaries, I want to translate directly from Tamil to Hindi. How do I do it? So I'll just take, see if I give the Tamil to English dictionary. Okay, I'm giving a Tamil word as a key and I'm getting English word as a value. Now this value which you get now, because I don't have a direct translation from English to Hindi, I have Tamil to English, English to Hindi is there. So what should I do? I should apply the value which I get. Suppose if I supply my Tamil word as a key and I get an English value, if the value is given as key for the second dictionary, that means English to Hindi dictionary, I will get the Hindi translation. I hope it gives you a message. If for example, first I'll say Tamil to English. First I'll just give the word, Tamil word called, Eppadi irkeenga. Control C. I just give you, look at this. If I give this, now I got how are you. Now this is the value for a given Tamil key. Now if this value is applied as a key in the second dictionary, that's what I'm going to do. So what I'll do, I'll just take this as completely, this value which we receive should be given as a key for the second dictionary. So what I'll do, I'll just say, see, Hindi to, sorry, it's English to Hindi. English to Hindi off. Look at this. English is now, because what we get is an English value. English value. So this value can go only as a key of the English to Hindi dictionary. Look at this. See, Ing underscore Hindi. This can receive a English word as a key. Then only it will give its corresponding value. So what I do is I am just giving eppadi irkinga as a key for Tamil to English dictionary. So I get how are you as a value. This value is again applied as a key for English to Hindi dictionary. So now look at this. Eppadi irkinga, I will get in Hindi. Look at this. Aap kaise hai. That's it. Okay. So any Tamil word you give, for the corresponding Hindi you will get. Suppose if I just say Vanakkam. Okay. I should get Alvida. I'll just go here. I'll copy this. I'll copy this word. Control C. Control V. Just see. Yeah, I got Alvida. At the bottom Alvida I got. So you see, now Python can support language of any language in the world, any language in the world. Be it Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, anything it can support. Okay, Telugu, Kannada, anything it can support. So even a variable can be given a Tamil name. For example, I'll just just look at this. I want to give my mother name, for example. So what I'll do, I'll just give Tamil translation. Tamil transliteration. I'll just click here. Okay, so you see, Amma means in Tamil, basically mother. So I'll take this. Okay, I go here. I just give Control V. Amma is equal to my mother name I want to give. Okay, I can give either in English or whatever it is. So let me go. I'll give in Sundari. Okay. Okay, fine. So you see, now if I say Amma, print, I got Sundari as value. So you see, even a variable can be given a name which can be in any language you want. It can be Chinese, it can be Cambodian or whatever it is, because Python supports any language in the world. Okay, so now the variable name is Amma. Value is something in different, like given in English. Value can also be in Tamil. It doesn't matter. Okay, but the thing is, it supports any language. So you can create variable, you can create value in any language you want. Okay, so see, this is a dictionary which converts from one language to another language. Fine. So dictionary can be used in various ways. Now let me give one more example. Okay, I have a dictionary of students. So I call students is equal to students. Okay, let me go give a roll number. Roll number will be 101. So 101 is the key. Then I want to give the value. Value can be either a direct, value, or it can be list also. For example, 101 students has got marks something like this: 100, 200, sorry, not 100, 89, 56, 78, 45. Okay, 48, comma 102 student has got. Okay, so you see here students is a dictionary, and the dictionary has got a key of number. As I told you, key should be immutable. So 101 it refers to the roll number. Then these are the values. Values are nothing but it's a list. So I can have again 67, 87, 67, 45, 80, 90, 98. Okay, fine. So you see, this is students. So if I want to access the students 101 details, I'll say students of 101. There should be no single quotation. Look at this. We got marks of the 101 student. Actually, look at this. See, students of 101. That's all. No single quotation, because it's a number. It's a numeric entity. Okay. Now I want to find the sum of this. So can I do something like this? Student of 101, I can just say sum. You got sum also. So the list, see, because when you say students of 101, we get a list. That list we sum it up. That's it. Okay. So in the same way, I can have sum of students of 102, 364. Fine. So here the number is the key and the list of values is the value. List of marks is the value. Right? So your dictionary can have any combination of things. For example, I can have a dictionary as its value. Now look at this. I'll just copy this. Control C, Control V. I go here. Look at this. I just say dictionary 101. I would like to give name. See, I'll just say name. I'll just say name. Okay, he's Ashok. Okay, then marks. Look at this. Marks will be a list of values. 10, 45, 67, 23, 78. Okay, fine. So in the same way, I'll just delete this. I'll copy this. Paste it here. Okay, look at this. Now I got name Ashok. Then I say Babu. Marks will be, maybe some other marks. 28. Okay, I'll say 65, 68, 32. Okay, then 78. 78. Okay, so you see now students is basically it's a dictionary, but the values are again dictionary. So how do you access those dictionaries? I'll just say students of 101. Suppose I want to access the details of Ashok. So I just say students of 101. I'll get, look at this. Sorry, I made a spelling mistake. See, name Ashok, marks. Now I want to find the marks of, okay, Ashok. So what I'll give 101. Okay, then within here I'll just say marks. That should be within single quotation. Marks. Look at this. I got marks of Ashok. Okay, if I say marks of Babu, I'll just say Babu marks, 28, 65, everything. Okay, I want to get the name of the student. So what I can do, I can just say name. I got Babu. Okay, so this is how you manipulate dictionary, and of course in a dictionary value can be again dictionary, it can be a list, it can be a again a string, whatever it is. Okay, so any combination you can have. Okay, hope this session was useful. We will see some other interesting demonstration with our next example. Thank you.